Today we're up at Bemm River, finally getting out fishing again. I got 3 nights here, so we'll see how they go and get some fishing. Alright guys, so I just got that good flathead. He was right on 55, so we're just gonna keep him for a feed tonight. And we got him just on that orange and black double clutch. Alright, so got that flatty. Still just chucking that. Check my leader. All good. Hey, that's the drop off. Everyone's saying you fish over, you cast. Oh, I'm on again. Yep. Yeah. Alright guys, we're on. He's a keeper. He's a bit smaller. Oh, is he? I don't know. I reckon, yeah, it's a flathead. I don't know how big he is. Is he fit over there?
He's on the other side of the...
There he is. I reckon he'll be a keeper, black. He's about that good dinner size,
That's all we need for the day.
Yeah. That gets us, yeah.
So if we beach now, I suppose that's not bad.
No, not at all. Oh, he's alright. It's hard to bring over. I don't want to lose it. Oh, it's a Trev.
Yeah.
Oh, Trevally. Oh, that's grouse.
Look at him swimming together.
I'm not sure if you guys can see that. He's just trying to get over the flatty, but I reckon I'm gonna get out. Oh, I want one of us to stay in the boat because
I could get him with the net.
yeah, he's hooked well. Oh, he's a good Trev. He's a very good Trev. All right, got him. He's real good. Oh, he's really good. Yeah. Alright guys, that's that Trev with the big double clutch in his mouth, eh? Not bad. Oh. Alright guys, so he's 38. We'll release this guy. Yeah. He goes that way. Not bad, that's 2 fish and 2 drifts, 2 good ones on that double clutch. Guys, I've just chucked on a BT bait. I don't know what they're called. Yeah, BT bait on the XFRC, 10-pound leader. See if we can get a couple with this. They're sitting, but we'll see. I'll take a couple more casts with it. Oh, on. As soon as it dropped.
Small one? Or bream?
Not very big. I reckon it'll be a bream. You could just grab the net because I don't want to lift it out. I want to keep its head in the water, so I'm kind of trying to just keep pressure on it. Oh, it's actually a decent bream. Oh, is that a bream? That's very decent. Here, I'm bringing it up. Oh, it's a Trev. Definitely a Trev. Nah, I've got no clue.
Trevally, it's not a bream.
Get ready. Hey, no, it's a Taylor. Oh, hell no. Guys, I just got a Taylor on a $40 lure. $38 lure. That is scary. Alright, cool. Alright guys, little Taylor on the BT Minnow. See if I can't get a bream on this one. Oh, instantly on. Look at that. I was literally like, oh, see if I can't land a bream on this. 4 pound. Yeah, grab the net. Keep that pressure on it. You have to kind of take it really light because I got 4 pound. Just a small fish, I think. Probably hasn't broken up. Might be a bream. Bream is probably a nice one. Got a bit of weight to it. I'm actually going to take it super light. Okay, let's go closer. We're over there now. Where's your rod? Oh, it's big. Oh, it's a big, I don't know what it is. Oh, yeah, don't worry about that. I can't see it. Oh, it's big. It's really big. It's a bream. I think it's a big bream. It don't go that low with the net. Is it trevally? Oh shit. There it is. Oh my goodness. Man, you gotta play with them when you're on the 4 pound. I think it's wrapped around its body as well, so really try and net it, just try and get it quick. Oh shit. Don't go to the line, don't go to the line. Come around here, come around here. Yeah, try there, try there, try there. Oh, it's hard to keep pressure on it, it's such a small rod. 6 foot rod. Yep, get in the boat. Oh, it's a good one. Thank you, Dad. That's 4 pounds straight through on a 6 foot trout combo. It's hard to keep that pressure on it.
He's puffed out.
Rolling crank, MR, first cast. Pretty good on the straight through. Let's play it light. It's good. There you go. G'day guys, day 2. So yesterday we got the flatty and some silvers, whatever. Today's glass calm, so much better conditions. So we're gonna have a see if we can't get in a few. The bottom's a bit weedy. Oh yeah, I'm on. I sort of thought I was snagged. But it's a fish. It's heavy, I can't tell what it is. I reckon it might, I don't know. It's pretty heavy, eh?
What line is that?
4 pound. Straight through. Oh, it's a bream. Yep. There you go, get it. Oh, shit. Go straight there. Yep. Thought it had me snagged. Alright guys, we've hooked up. Feels a bit better. Some head shakes on him. I reckon it's a flathead. Second cast. Just pulled up to the next spot. That's a bream. Yep, get it. Oh, that's a good one actually.
Hey, he's nice, man.
It's a better one. On the 90mm Presto Minnow brown Suji. As I said last cast, I've hooked up. We're about to move on to a new spot. Oh, he's splashing on the top there. Oh, what the heck is that?
Good one? Do you want me to
Yeah, get the net.
drive around?
Nah, let's get the net.
Watch your own get up there.
Yeah, grab the net, he's closer now. Oh, he's good. Oh, he's a tailor. He's a good tailor. He took my friggin' Presso.
Oh, what's he doing?
It's kind of weird to think like there's got to be fish here. Like there's no way that there's no fish hanging around. They're either using the wrong lures or like casting an inch off or something like that. Yeah, maybe they're not very hungry. I'm on. No shot. Oh, and it feels heavy. Could you grab the net, Dad? I reckon it's a flathead. Yeah, could you grab the net? Definitely. Yeah, it's a good flathead. Oh no.
What happened?
He just dropped it. Alright, well that'll wrap up today's session. 10 hours on the water from 6 to 5 with very little fish. Wasn't very successful at all. Chopped a flathead and tailor. I took my lure as well. Yesterday was better though, so still got a fair few fish. We've still got tomorrow, so we'll go out in the morning, but I'm not going to video that. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.
On another one, there's probably had 28 to 29 fish for the morning.